Hello folks, welcome back to Niles Tutorials with your trainer Pooja. Today I'll make you go through the different uses of get. So without wasting a single second, let's get started. Our very first usage of get is get along. Get along means to be on the good terms, that means achhi banna. Let's see the example. I get along well with my boss. I get along well with my relatives. Let's see the next usage of get, that is get away. Get away means to escape, usually after a crime, that is farar ho jana. Let's see the example. The robbers got away from the police in a car. That means चोर पुलिस से बचकर भाग निकले एक कार में. So that is the usage of get away. Let's see our third usage of get, that is get on. Now get on has got two usages here. Let's see the first, that is to board bus, train or plane. That means bus, plane या train में चढ़ना. Here is the example. I am trying to get on the metro. That means मैं metro में चढ़ने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. Let's see the second usage of get on, that is to have a friendly relationship with somebody. Means किसी के साथ friendly relationship होना. Let's see the example. She has never really got on with her sister. मतलब उसकी अपनी sister के साथ कभी भी friendly relations नहीं रहे. Let's see a fourth usage of get, that is get out. Get out means to leave that place. I can't get out of that place due to crowd. That means मैं उस place से नहीं निकल सकती crowd की वजह से. Our next usage of get is get together. Get together, you must have heard it. That is to meet each other. Let's see the example. She organized a get together at home for her mother's 60th birthday. That means उसने अपनी mother के 60th birthday के लिए एक get together organize किया अपने घर पर, where people came and they meet each other. Let's see the sixth usage of get. Get rid of. Get rid of means to eliminate, means किसी से छुटकारा पाना. Example, I am trying to get rid of my habit of procrastination. Procrastination means काम चोरी. मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि मैं अपनी काम चोरी वाली habit से छुटकारा पा सकूँ. Let's see the next usage, which is get over. Get over means to recover from something, किसी चीज़ से उभर के आना. For example, he needs to get over his cold before the match. मैच से पहले उसको अपने cold से उभरने की ज़रूरत है. That is ठीक होने की ज़रूरत है. Let's see the next usage of get, that is get by. Get by means to manage or to survive. That means handle करना, किसी situation को, किसी condition को handle करना. Let's see the example. She gets by with her basic Spanish in Spain. मतलब वो अपनी basic Spanish की वजह से स्पेन में अपना गुजारा कर सकती है, situation handle कर सकती है. Let's see the ninth usage of get, that is get into. Get into means to become interested in something or to start doing something. या तो किसी चीज़ में interest लेना या कोई चीज़ start करना. Example, I got into reading last summer. Last summer मैंने reading की habit start की. That means I started showing my interest in reading. Last but not the least, our usage of get is get down. Get down means to write something down or to feel sad. Now it has got two meanings. Very first meaning is या तो कुछ लिख लेना, to write down something, or to feel sad. Let's see the examples. Our first example is let's get down all our ideas on paper. चलो अपने सारे ideas एक paper पर लिख देते हैं. So get down, that is लिखना. Second usage, this rainy weather really gets me down. इस rainy weather की वजह से मैं बहुत sad feel कर रही हूँ. That means you can't go out, you can't enjoy, you can't get your things done. So that was the last usage of get. So that was all for today. I hope you liked the session and enjoyed it. I'll see you in the upcoming videos with more such lessons. Till then, you keep learning. Take care. Sayonara.